Aw, the cutest and the sweetest message, all from their Lauren. Thank you, Derek. Love you.
Bumisita sina Chinita Princess Kim Chiu at Paolo Avlino sa headquarters ng Star Magic. Matatandaan na mayroong nilulutong bagong proyekto sa dalawa, kaya naman madalas maimbitahan sina Kim at Paolo ng kanilang mga boses. Wala namang ibang detalye hinggil sa proyekto na gagawin ng dalawa. Samantala kagabi ay nag-celebrate si Kim ng kanyang birthday, narito at panoorin natin.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, ang dami ko namang cake. So pretty. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. Ano mo naman? Thank you so much. Happy birthday! Much. Ano mo naman? Birthday ka na today. So much. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Look ahead, yan. Cute, ganda nito.